Welcome to London. This guide will help you explore the city affordably and confidently. For transport, use an Oyster card or your contactless credit card. Just tap in and out for the best fares. Daily fare caps mean you won't overspend, and buses are even cheaper than the tube. Save on food with supermarket meal deals. Grab a sandwich, snack, and drink for a few pounds at Tesco or Sainsbury's. For dinner, try street food at Borough or Camden Market, or enjoy classic pub grub for a taste of local culture. London's top museums, like the British Museum and Tate Modern, are free, so you can soak up art and history without spending a penny. For city views, skip pricey attractions and book a free ticket to the Sky Garden or walk along the South Bank for iconic sights. Walking is one of the best ways to see London. Stroll the Thames for views of Parliament, the London Eye and St. Paul's. Remember local etiquette, stand on the right on escalators, say please and thank you, and tipping is optional in most places. Service charges are often included in restaurant bills, if not, 10 to 15% is appreciated. No need to tip in pubs or for coffee. With these basics, you'll blend in and make the most of your London adventure. Plan ahead, stay flexible, and enjoy discovering the city's hidden gems. London is big, but with these tips, it's accessible and welcoming. Ready to explore? Let's get started. Your budget-friendly London journey begins now. Let's dive in. London's weather is unpredictable. Pack layers. Bring comfortable, broken-in walking shoes, you'll be on your feet all day. Layer t-shirts, sweaters, and a lightweight waterproof jacket with a hood. A reusable water bottle saves money and reduces waste. Refill it around the city. Don't forget a UK travel adapter for your devices. A portable power bank keeps your phone charged for maps and photos. Pack a small umbrella and a day pack for essentials. Bring any medications and a basic first aid kit. Leave space in your bag for souvenirs from London's markets. Smart packing means you're ready for anything, rain or shine. With the right gear, you'll enjoy every moment, whatever the weather. Stay comfortable, stay dry, and keep exploring. London rewards those who come prepared. London on a budget is possible, just plan smart. Stay in zones 2 or 3 for cheaper hotels or hostels, all well connected by tube. Hostels offer private rooms and are great for solo travelers. Use an Oyster or contactless card for capped fares on public transport. Buses are cheaper than the tube and double as sightseeing tours. Eat like a local, enjoy pub meals, ethnic restaurants or supermarket meal deals. Picnic in royal parks with market finds for a true London experience. Major museums and galleries are free. Spend days exploring world-class art and history. Walk through neighborhoods like Notting Hill or Little Venice for free sightseeing. London's best experiences don't have to cost a thing. Make every pound count. Here's a 3-day, budget-friendly London itinerary. Day 1, start at the Tower of London, walk across Tower Bridge, and stroll the South Bank past Shakespeare's Globe and Tate Modern. Cross Millennium Bridge for St. Paul's Cathedral views. Day 2, visit Westminster Abbey, see Big Ben and Parliament, walk to Trafalgar Square and enjoy the Free National Gallery, end at Buckingham Palace and relax in Hyde Park. Day 3, explore South Kensington's free museums, natural history, science, or V&A. In the afternoon, visit Camden Market or Portobello Road Market for food and shopping. If you have extra days, check out the British Museum, Covent Garden, or take a day trip to Windsor, Cambridge, or Brighton. Group sites by area to save time and money. Walking and public transport keep costs low. Free attractions fill your days with culture and history. Markets offer affordable meals and unique finds. With this plan, you'll see the best of London without overspending. Maximize your time, minimize your costs, and enjoy every moment. London's highlights are closer and cheaper than you think. Explore, discover, and make memories. Your affordable London adventure awaits. Let's keep going. You can enjoy London for £70, £90 per day if you follow these tips. Budget £30, £40 for a hostel bed, £20, £25 for food, and £8.50 for daily transport. Book attraction tickets online to save money and skip queues. Travel off-peak for cheaper fares. Join free walking tours, tip what you can. Don't hesitate to ask locals for help. Londoners are friendly. Look right, then left before crossing streets. Traffic is on the left. Embrace spontaneous adventures. Some of the best moments are unplanned. Wander side streets, visit a historic pub, or relax in a quiet park. London is full of surprises for curious travelers. Plan smart, pack light, and stay open to discovery. With these tips, your London trip will be unforgettable and affordable. Enjoy every step of your journey.